want to do something different. It was something cool to do, something new.
It's a huge opportunity. It's big money right out of high school, and you don't got to go to college if you don't want to.
My favorite part is being able to see the outcome of all the projects and being able to see what I've worked on hands-on.
My favorite thing to see is growth, or whenever a kid is really struggling and you see that it just clicks and they get it.
We initially start in a classroom, and then you move on to working on simple machines, and then you move on to mill and lathe.
Right now, the really big thing is Honeywell. You can earn like $30 an hour starting on an internship.
The program is different from others because this actually gets college credit while you're still in high school, and you can receive some certificates through the program. It can, like I said, get you a job straight out of high school.
It can get you very far with just taking this one single class. You could be set for the rest of your life.
Machining's never going away, so we always need more people to be in the trade.